Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. In previous lecture, we have learned about exercise 5.3 up to question number 6. Let's we begin with question number 7. It is also same like the previous questions. We have to just practice more about that type of questions. So let's we begin with question number 7. In the question number 7, you can see the question: find the sum of the first 22 terms of arithmetic progression in which d is equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So d is equal to 7 and 122, that is a 149. So here the 22nd term is equal to 149 and we have to find the sum of the first 22 terms. So sum of the first 22 terms is equal to S22. So here we want the value of the first term. So by using the formula of the arithmetic progression an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you can find out the values. So a22 is equal to a plus 22 minus 1 into d. So 149 is equal to a plus 21 multiplied by 7. Here 22 minus 1, that is a 21. So 21 multiplied by 7, it gives 147 over here. So 149 is equal to a plus 147 is equal to a is equal to 2. So in this way you can find out the first term of the arithmetic progression. Then we know about the first term a is equal to 2 and last term an is equal to 149. So put the value of Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. So n is equal to 22 by 2. So a is equal to 2 and an is equal to 149. So 2 plus 149, that is a 151, and 22 upon 2, that is a 11. So 11 in the multiplication 151, that is given by 1661. In this way we can find out the Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. So our final answer is 1661. Question number 8. Find the sum of the first 51 terms of an arithmetic progression whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Here in the question they gives us a2 is equal to 14 because second term is 14 and third terms are 18. So here third term is a3 is equal to 18 and the mean difference between these two terms a3 minus a2, that is a 18 minus 14, that is a 4. So 18 minus 14, that is a 4. a2 is equal to a plus d. So a2 is equal to here a. You can see that a we don't know what is a, but we know the a2. So a2 is equal to a plus मीन डिफरेंस. मीन्स अगर फर्स्ट टर्म में आप मीन डिफरेंस ऐड करते हो तो आपको क्या मिलता है, सेकंड टर्म. ओके, सो a2 is equal to a plus d. So a2 here 14 and d is equal to 4. So a is equal to 14 minus 4, that is a 10. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to use this finded a and d in this equation, and we have to find the value of Sn. So here a is equal to 10, n is equal to 51, and d is equal to 4. So let's put the value of the a, n and d in the equation. So Sn is equal to S51 is equal to n by 2. So 51 by 2 and 2a, 2 multiplication with 10, n is equal to 51 and d is equal to 4. So 51 by 2, 2 in multiplication 10, that is a 20. 51 minus 1, that is a 50, and 4 is in the multiplication. Next 51 in the multiplication with 220 divided by 2. So 51 multiplication with 220 divided by 2, that gives us 51 in the bracket 110. So 5610, that is our final answer. So S51 means 51th term, that is 5610. Question number 9. If the sum of the first 7 term and arithmetic progression is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of the first n terms. So then S7, that is a 49, S17, that is a 289. So S7 is equal to n by 2. So 7 by 2 in the multiplication, S7 is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 is equal to 49 and 7 by 2 into bracket 2a plus 6d. So 7 is equal to a plus 3d. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. So here you can see that a plus 3d, that is a 7, and S17 is equal to 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 माइनस 1. ये जो दो सेंटेंस है उसमें हमने क्या यूज़ किया है, यहाँ पे n की जगह पे 7 यूज़ किया है और यहाँ पे n की जगह पे 17 यूज़ किया है. ठीक है, बाय यूजिंग दैट 7 and 17 we can got the this kind of two formulas. First one is a plus 3d plus 7, and in the next 17 minus 1, that is a 16d. So then after multiply 289 and divide by 17, so that gives us a plus 8d is equal to 17. Then after subtracting equation 1 and from 2, you can got that a plus 8d is equal to 17, and then after a plus 3d is equal to 7 and a plus 8d is equal to 17. So subtracting equation 1 from the equation 2, you can got the 8d minus 3d, that is a 5 into d, and 17 minus 7, that is a 10. So here you can see that d is equal to 2. So a into, put the value of d in this equation. So a plus 3 into 2, that is a 7. So a plus 6 is equal to 7. So a is equal to 1 over here. Okay, in this way you can find the values. D is equal to 2, a is equal to 1. Then after put the values Sn Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 in the multiplication 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 means n minus 1 into 2. You can see that n by 2 in the bracket 2 plus 2n minus 2, that is a n by 2 into 2n is equal to n square. Here 2 cancel and n into n square over here. So you can find the Sn is equal to n square. Hence it is proved Sn is equal to n square. Thank you. Thank you so much.